What if I told you, the most expensive stainless steel sink of 2025 scratches easier than a $200 model? We tested 12 sinks for rust resistance, noise levels, and durability, including a crazy 50-pound drop test. The results? One budget sink outperformed luxury brands costing 3x more. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ruvati 30-inch Undermount stainless steel sink. A great-looking, high-quality stainless steel sink needn't break the bank. The Undermount 30-inch Ruvati stainless steel sink features a single bowl made from heavy-duty 16-gauge steel and a soft brushed satin finish. The Ruvati sink is 18 inches wide, front to back, which leaves room for a faucet on the countertop or wall behind the sink, and the bowl is 9 inches deep. Other sizes may be available. It comes with padding that fits between the lip of the sink and the cabinet's underside to reduce echoing and features a rounded inner bowl design for easy scrubbing. The soft satin finish looks attractive and resists scratches. Also included is an inner rack that fits the bowl's bottom for draining dishes. Number 2. Kraus Core 2-tier Undermount stainless steel sink. For the serious home chef, the Kraus 57-inch stainless steel sink is a solid choice. It measures 57 inches long by 19 inches wide and comes with a 10.5-inch deep bowl that gently slopes to an offset drain. It features 2 separate work tiers where the cook can position the 2 included bamboo cutting boards or the drying/draining rack. This extra-long stainless steel sink requires an extended cabinet base, at least 60 inches wide, for installation. The sink is made of high-quality 16-gauge stainless steel and has a soft, brushed finish that resists stains and scratches and wipes clean with a rag. Number 3. Sarlai stainless steel Farmhouse sink. Fans of country kitchen decor are likely to fall for the Sarlai Farmhouse sink. This Undermount apron sink measures 27 inches long by 22 inches deep, and it comes with 2 bowls, both 10 inches deep. The single bowl can be split using the included drainage tray, which takes up roughly 1/3 of the sink space and can be used to store or dry utensils or cutlery. The front apron of the sink extends 1 inch beyond the countertop in a gentle bow. This Sarlai sink is made of high-quality 16-gauge stainless steel and features a brushed finish that resists stains and cleans easily by wiping. The sink has an inner ledge designed to hold a cutting board, a drop-in stainless steel pan, and a drying rack. 2 additional chrome racks are sized to fit in the bottom of each bowl. Number 4. Ruvati 15 by 15-inch drop-in top-mount bar prep sink. Wash dishes on one side of the sink and rinse them on the other side with the high-quality double-bowl sink. The sink features 16-gauge stainless steel and a soft satin finish that resists stains and scratches. This Undermount sink measures 33 inches long by 19 inches wide and comes with 2 generous 10-inch deep bowls. The bottom of each bowl gently slopes toward its drain to keep water from standing in the sink. The sink comes with noise-dampening pads designed to mute metal echoing. It also includes 2 chrome racks that fit in the bowl's bottoms and protect the stainless surface from cast iron pots and other items that might scratch. Number 5. Kraus Core 30-inch drop. Workstation sink with integrated ledge for sliding accessories allows you to prep and clean up right over the sink while minimizing clutter on the kitchen counter. External sink dims, 30-inch LX22WX9.5D, bowl dims, 28 LX16WX9D min, cabinet size, 33, includes bottom grid, bamboo cutting board, roll-up dish drying rack, drain assembly with strainer and decorative drain cover, mounting hardware, template. Easy top mount installation, ideal for retrofitting and DIY installation. Drop-in kitchen sink with thick mounting deck installs with any type of kitchen countertop material including laminate. So, which sink are you installing in 2025? The Silent Warrior? The Scratch-Proof Beast? Comment below, asterisk. Asterisk if this saved you from a bad buy, smash that like button, share with your renovating friends, and subscribe. We're testing Farmhouse versus stainless steel next, asterisk. Asterisk all the best 2025 deals? Description below. Happy cooking!